Yo, what's up? This is your boy Jon Belcher, aka Jadiscreet. As you may know, the name Jadiscreet is because I make music as well. This is the video on how to be successful in life, but this is part 2. This is part 2 right here. If you want to watch part 1 to how to be successful in life, all you got to do is go back to my previous video, the video before this video, where I share more information. But I felt that first video, I didn't get enough information out there to you about how to be successful in life. So we gonna do this. We just gonna be straight up in this video. Once again, I'm gonna kick it to you real. I'm gonna keep it G with you. I'm gonna keep it straight up with you. You already know I got on my professional shirt today. You know, I got my professional shirt today with my collar on. Yeah, with my collar on. So yeah, how to be successful in life. We already spoke about some things in part 1 of the video. But in this part, what we're going to talk about is, number 1, sacrifice. Sacrifice. In order to be successful, you may have to sacrifice going out partying with your friends every weekend. You might have to sacrifice going out every night, hanging out with co-workers. You might have to take time away from something else in order to dedicate more time to that thing that you want to be successful in. Because success really is about the law of cause and effect. That's really what success is about. It's about the law of cause and effect. Meaning that, and that's really what karma is. Karma is about cause and effect. It's a law that is a part of life and there's no escaping it. That's really what karma is. When we talk about karma, we're talking about the law of cause and effect. So if you want success to be in effect, then you have to put in causes or create causes that's going to create the success that you want. If you look at a bamboo tree, right? There's a plant called a bamboo tree, and it's a tree that you have to water, you have to nurture for a long time before you finally see it spring up into the air. That's how the bamboo tree works. You got to nurture it and water it for a long time before you finally see it grow. And that's kind of how success works as well. You may not see instant results. You may not have instant gratification from the work you're putting in right now. But if you continue to stay focused, if you stay down until you come up, eventually your ass gonna find yourself in a place where your life is gonna be exactly how you always wanted it to be. So just like the bamboo tree, it might take some time for you to get the success and the results that you want, but stay focused. Stay focused, stay grinding at it, do your thing. Stay disciplined, you know what I'm saying? Because like the bamboo tree, I'm gonna look it up on ChatGPT right now. I put in ChatGPT, I put in how long does it take for the bamboo tree to grow. It says the growth rate of bamboo varies significantly depending on the species. Some bamboo species can grow incredibly fast, with some varieties growing up to about 36 inches in a single day under optimal conditions. Generally, bamboo can reach its full height in just a few months. However, it typically takes about 3 to 5 years. It typically takes about 3 to 5 years for bamboo to fully mature and develop a solid root system. So, some of y'all watching this video, y'all trying to rush the fucking process. Some of y'all watching this video, y'all trying to fucking cut corners and wondering why you're not successful yet. Some of y'all don't know what the fuck patience is, and you want to be rich tomorrow. You want instant gratification. Some of y'all motherfuckers do so much wild shit in order to be successful, your ass is gonna do nothing but end up in jail if you continue to do what you're doing. Not to say I'm judgmental if you go to jail. Shit happens in life, I understand that. But if you want real success, you gotta kind of become like the bamboo tree, moving like you're already successful every day. I spoke about this in the last video, right? Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to drop a comment below. Let me know if you know anything about the bamboo tree. Let me know of any other objects or plants or anything that could be metaphorically related to success. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. You know, YouTube been banning my shit. They've been on some bullshit lately, you know what I'm saying? Like shadow banning my shit and stuff like that. So I would really appreciate it if, you know, you share this video with people that you know. And as always, you know, today is a beautiful day. Today's a beautiful fucking day. Today is a beautiful day to go stream some Jadiscreet music. Today's a beautiful day to go stream some Jadiscreet music on all streaming platforms. I got my music on all streaming platforms. Make sure to go stream that. It's a beautiful day to enjoy some of my music. I appreciate that. I salute you for that. I don't even gotta say it, right? You already know what it is. But yeah, so how to be successful in life is you gotta sacrifice time. You know, there's gonna be people who are gonna be mad with you because you're not hanging out with them as much as you used to. There's gonna be people who gonna feel like you acting funny and you moving brand new because they don't understand that you have somewhere that you're headed to. You have a goal and a dream in mind. They don't understand that you're tired of being in the same place. You realize that time is ticking, and you realize that if you don't get moving, you're gonna be in the same place next year and the year after that. So you ain't trying to be with that. You ain't trying to let that happen. So a lot of people, when you start to stop hanging out with them and you start to focus more on your dreams, mad people gonna feel like you switching up. But don't worry about that. You gotta ignore all of that. You gotta ignore all the people who feel like you moving funny and acting different because they don't understand that you just sacrificing time right now so that you can get to a certain point. They'll always be there. You know what I'm saying? The clubs will always be there. The bars will always be there. The parties will always be there. I'm not saying you can't have no fun at all, but most of your time should be dedicated towards what you say you want to accomplish. That's how to be successful in life. You know what I'm saying? And another thing is, the bigger your dream is, the bigger the dream is that you're trying to accomplish. Just had to make sure this shit is still on. But anyway, the bigger the dream is that you're trying to accomplish, you're gonna have people out there saying, ha 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 ha, he think he really gonna accomplish that. Ha 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 ha, he really think he gonna be successful in that. Oh shit. Yo, who he think he is? You're gonna have people laughing at you. You're gonna have people cracking jokes on you. You're gonna have people literally downplaying your shit and treating you like you can't be successful in what you want to be. That's what's really gonna happen. When you decide that you want to be successful, and if you decide that you want to accomplish something big, you're gonna find that a lot of people, even the people that you know, especially your friends, they're gonna be laughing at what you're doing. They're gonna be laughing at you. And I'm telling you right now, that's a key sign that you headed in the right direction. They supposed to laugh. They supposed to laugh because later on, when you accomplish what you want to accomplish, you know what they're gonna do later on? They're gonna fucking spin the block later on. They're gonna spin the block later on and tell you how much they believed in you, and they're gonna ask you how you did it. Meanwhile, these motherfuckers they was right there. They was right there when you was struggling. They was right there when you was working hard. They was right there when you was putting in the work. They was right there the whole time. Yet and still, when you actually do it, they gonna be so shocked. Some of them might start hating on you. Some of your friends gonna start being jealous of you because of where you at today. They can't believe that you somebody that they grew up with and you took your whole life to a whole nother level and they still stuck in the same spot. That's what people gonna do. So you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Are you ready for people to start switching up on you? Are you ready for friends to start saying you acting brand new? Are you ready for people to laugh at your dreams? Because if you're not ready for all of that, then success is not for you. If you ain't ready for that shit, success ain't for you, man. I'm telling you right now. If you ain't ready for people to be laughing at you and shit, success ain't for you. Get ready for that. So if you want to get connected with me, all the links are in the description below this video. If you want to get connected with me, I got a free ebook now to help musicians out there. If you want to take your independent career to the next level, it's in the description below. All my social media handles is in the description below. And also, if you really want to take your life to the next level and you want to get around a community of winners, if you want to be around a community of go-getters, I highly recommend getting a part of the 300 to Freedom Academy. I'm telling you, there's no way that you could go through those videos in that course and be the same person when you get out of that course. It's impossible to be a part of the 300 to Freedom Academy, have access to those training videos, and still be stuck in the same spot in the next 3 months, 6 months. It's impossible, because when you're around the